Click vinyl plank Thursday. Let's go. I love it when you show up to the job site, and for the most part, it's ready to go. I even like that the client, they just took, I told them to mark the concrete how they wanted their angle, and they just took some painter's tape, so perfect. So I'll show you guys later how I do this, but normally these angles, I don't try to cut them right away. I'll actually snap a line on the material and go back and cut it. Look at, I mean, this is like an ideal layout, really. Other than we're gonna have to work it backwards a little bit behind the bar area. Big deal. We are putting in Karndean Korlock Select. True story, first time I've worked with this. I've had the display in my shop for a little bit. I've worked with a lot of the Karndean glue down in the past. When I worked for another store, they sold lots of that. So I'm more of a click guy myself, partially because of I just believe kind of people's buying trends and the way things are. You know, a lot of these products are not made for a lifetime. They're just not going to be in. And chances are I'm going to be the guy tearing them out. And I want it easy. And then we're also coming into this bathroom, and we'll be doing this as well. So a couple weeks we'll be putting the carpet in here. The rest of these areas get carpet along with the bedrooms. So stay tuned. This is, I don't know, I'm gonna call it a gravy job. Change of pace. I've been laying a lot of carpet lately. Even did a tile fireplace recently, but I'm looking forward to this one. So stay tuned. We'll kind of give you I don't know what you want to call it, some information as we go. Maybe that's something that I see important, but right now we're just going to take the scrape. I'm going to get my scraper, scrape the floor, a couple spots like that. Just look at those. Anybody watching this, we've already moisture tested. We've already done all that good stuff. Everything's fine. Karndean's instructions are, unless warranted by moisture test, no reason to put any kind of 6 mil poly or roll-on membrane. Lunchtime, let's go. This room's done. Now we just got to kind of figure out, we got the homeowner coming actually. We're going to kind of figure out how they want this angle cut before we do any cutting. And yeah, that's just good practice right there. But hey, I wanted to share this. I've got all kinds of things that I use for spacers, but my old standby is just plywood underlayment, 1/4 inch plywood underlayment, and I just screw it into the plate, that 2x4 or 2x6 plate, and it gives me something solid. So when I'm tapping my material, and it ain't moving all over the place, stays solid. So boy, this stuff is just beautiful. I like it. Anyways, stay tuned. I gotta stop saying it. I say stay tuned way too much, but great things are gonna happen. Next stop, the bathroom. Thursday vinyl plank is done. Hey, check this out. So, hey, I'm coming back to put the carpet in. And how many of you carpet installers have showed up to jobs where they have whoever laid the vinyl plank or the ceramic tile or the hardwood, it was just janky as all janky. So what I like to do is I like to cut it after the fact. I lay past everything and then cut it. You can see this turned out awesome. Chris, just because I'm not perfect, guys, show them what I did right here. I'm not worried about it. I'll take a little brown marker if I have to, but we're putting some fuzzy carpet in, so that'll turn out to be a whole lot of nothing. How do you know your customers, your clients like what you do? Check that out. Chris has been munching on a big old plate of scotcheroos. I gave up, because I'm a good Catholic, I gave up sweets for Lent, and I'm doing awesome. I've had 1 glass of chocolate milk, and that's because the gas station didn't have any milk, so I think I was justified. I blessed it before I drank it. Check out the bathroom. We've got vinyl plank in the bathroom, rounded shower surround. Yeah, that's right, guys. We set toilets. That's what we like doing. So, beautiful job. Thanks again for watching us, being a part of this. I enjoy sharing. I enjoy talking way too much, but this turned out sweet. So, we're on to the next one. It's Grout Friday. Grout Friday. We'll share that with you too. See you guys.